Hey yo, what up guys, it's your boy.
I beg guys, so welcome to my new video. So today I tried something new. You get what I'm saying? So I'm going to react on Joseph Darius. What this thing called? Joseph Darius live show. You know what I'm saying? So it is my first time reacting to such videos. Actually reacting to videos. Actually, this is not the type of the content that I do. So I'm trying it. So I don't know how I'm going to react. So let's go. Let's get it. Watch with me, guys. Yo, let's go. Let's get it. I don't know. Yo, guys.
What's good, YouTube? My name is Joseph Dad. I'm back again with another video. Back again like I'm never left. The only God on earth. Yes, Joseph. Where's the Nike? I disowned it. We have money in the bag, in the case.
Money in the bag.
We brought 10, 11, 12 people that got cheated on my channel so they can find connection and love. So don't forget to like, comment, and share. Love you guys. Let's get into it. Bam! Yeah, man, now we're back. Now we're moving a different direction. It's no longer that direction. Now you guys know me as that good person, like I said, right?
Nah,
So this is our first game. Is called Buzz.
Now here's how the first game works. Two people sit down for a quick date with a heart as a buzzer in the middle. If the vibe is off, sharp, tap the heart and the next person comes in. We keep it moving until two people go, yeah, no, this is the one, and they stay as the match for the rest of the show. Let's begin.
Bitso la ka ke Gregory wa khuluma wa bua wa bolabola o ya thetha
Ngiyakhuluma.
oh yakhuluma nna ke a bua
Okay.
so wena o mang wa hamang o tswa kae? What are you doing for living?
Mina igama lami uLusanda, UG student. And I'm an actress.
Oh, actress. Ay ke ntwe ntle ena
Oh, Wamonta.
ay ke montsha
I'm bad.
ke montsha
So utala pele na.
No,
Why though? That's crazy.
So
bro.
albatani.
ay ke sharp
nami ngishap.
ke na le mabaka
And number 2 angimuzwa.
That means you have to move
Like
much.
language.
So remove on. Karaba paletse they.
sia ngomo
So I'm bad mfuge.
ay
Mfuge ngawo batle msadi.
Why?
why
Mina ngishilo ukuthi angikuzwa.
re tlo bua na bang o tlo bua sezulu nna ke a mbuka
No, like leyo excuse yami.
That's her excuse. Why did you press?
makhelwane tla ra mona nna ke ile mosebetsi tla be ke bolela ha ke batla o bulela ba tla ra exile mona
So wana ngare ke higher class.
ay she's
Ay,
Next
angazi.
one.
Good luck.
Thank you.
I don't
Sharp,
believe
eh?
in luck.
Aye.
I believe in God's grace, eh?
Ukona ubona ro wena o tonhlopha o. So ke na lo mongwe mosadi hape.
Ah, monyolla
Hey,
ke
tell my sister, come in. Let's see you.
Let's see you.
nga thabela ho tse.
Oh, Alina.
What language is this?
Xitsonga lexi.
Oh, aye. Ah, ngwana mane ho.
Ka vulavuriwa la.
Ah, okay. Na ku twa man. Eh. Yeah, so what are you doing for living?
Ni endli nchumu.
Ending nchumu. U tshamile.
Kahle kahle. Comfortable.
Mfuke, you are with your person. You are with your person. Always uta after now.
Man, you're supposed to put a maybe clock. See.
Clock it in your head. Clock it.
The clock is in your head. That's a bar.
Nkaramba mfuke man. Mfuke ngabathi msadi man.
No, mosadi ke mata motinga man.
Now we're having the second nigga. Pull up, brother.
Pull up.
I hope you guys see what he's wearing. It's not those small t-shirts of you guys that you buy small street. I'm kidding, brother. I'm
you guys, ain't gonna lie, right?
Mpuke ngabathi msadi.
Bhaka, bobo. Cut.
Now we're having it the
Me, I'm a Sandawana, bro. I'm a Sandawana. Yeah.
brother.
Feel me? I'm a Sandawana, so
I hope you guys see
Bhaka,
not
quick.
those small t-shirts of you guys that you
But
buy small
we are not here for that, so let's continue.
Mapagapag.
You are good. What's going
You guys
on?
have 45 minutes to make it happen. To make, I don't know what you guys wanna make.
Unjani nkosazana?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngiyaphila waziwa muhle.
Yabo, wena unjani?
Hayi ngiyaphila ngisho noma lo 40 seconds ungaphela manje nkosazana.
Yo.
Wabatlela Bhakabhaka. Rich Pirates Chiefs is a
Uhlonsiya,
winner. He's a winner.
Hayi uma ngayithanda iPirates hayi kulungile ngahamba.
Yeah. Maybe not like Pirates leave, yeah.
If we attend the Pirates,
He's a winner.
Hey, yo. That's crazy.
Yeah. Pirates leave, yeah.
Usho ukuthi ngizoncenga unyoka.
Azoncenga unyoka. Asigabe kulesa kebhula umhlaba omasipala ngeke ngizobhekisa phezulu.
Come on.
Hayi kodwa ngangiluze game ngesimanga sakho ukuthi ngiye egamini. Hayi umuhle phela nkosazana kodwa hayi khohle kodwa ingeke.
No kuhamba wena brawa.
Uhamba mina.
Yeah, angisho abafuni wena. Abafuni wena. Hlala phansi manje. Abafuni wena.
Hamba kithi next.
You are unwanted.
Next better chicken.
Kodwa ke nkosazana ngeke uthando.
Usakhuluma?
Lukhona ke uthando.
Oh, siyabonga.
His love didn't help him. I thought Buccaneers. Why though?
Nah, like he's too Zulu for my liking.
They are good guys.
What do you have to do with this, bro?
Yabona he just said
It's
ngizoncenga
love,
unyoka
not
literally.
language.
So nje hayi.
So the next guy.
Yeah, she's
Okay,
crazy.
next guy.
Akwenze.
Mbona.
Yeah, well.
Lo Mzulu.
Siyaphila. Then your
Umzulu ke. Lo Mzulu.
45 seconds starts now.
Hi, kuthi njani?
Ngiyaphila njani ntombi?
Ngiyaphila, igama lami Thokozane.
Oh, yasemuhle. Cha igama lami nawo bomusa wakho mala. Ekhaya kusengikhasela.
Oh, hayi sijabulele ukwazi. Manje bomusa angitshele la.
Yawuma.
I-love language yakho ime kanjani?
Izulu nje kuphela.
Mara yazi
Simple question. What's your love language? Zulu. That's crazy. Hear him out. What's your love language? Zulu. Aye. That's crazy. Wait.
Izulu nje kuphela.
mara yazi uzuhlelele naphambili ngiyasho ukuthi at least uyathembisa.
Kanti ngizana.
IsiZulu.
Utophelile.
Uphelile. IsiZulu.
Mighty pip pip. It means it's chai. Akafuni umuntu ozotela love language.
I-love language is Zulu. Are you for real, bro?
If love language is Zulu, what is your home language?
Bro,
Come on.
he's Zulu. What is Zulu?
Ngabe uyamfundisa ntombi. Phela ngithi uyazi ukuthi siyafundisana lapha. Hayi ndabona.
Asakashayile uthi hamba. Uhlelo lihambile.
Nice to meet you, though.
Hayi khuluma isiZulu sisi.
Hi.
Because he doesn't understand love language.
Hence I was
What if
saying
he's good with physical touch?
physical, but then he doesn't
What
know
if
that.
he's good with it, but you didn't know?
He like love language is literally like.
He doesn't understand love language.
Hence I was
What if
saying
he's good with physical touch?
physical, but then he doesn't
What
know
if
that.
he's good with it, but you didn't know?
He like love language is literally like the simplest thing, like simplest term you should know in 2025. For him to say Zulu, that's illiterate, bro. And I can't deal with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next better chicken. I'm gonna give them 1 minute. 1 minute, 60 seconds. And your 60 seconds starts now.
Hi.
Hello. Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyapila. I like the muscles, but you could have done a better thing with the outfits.
Ouch.
But then
I know.
Ouch! Ouch! I won't lie, that hurts, bro. Hey, that hurts. I loved your muscles, but you could have done better with your outfit. Outfit, hey. That's crazy. That is crazy. Hi. Red flag.
The
No, it's
muscles.
part of the plan.
What plan?
This is part of the plan.
So, Kamalako.
Ubomusa wasemambathini.
Right. Mina nguthokozane.
Thokozani.
Wasemajalini.
Manjani?
Emajalini, Amandebele.
Okay.
Yeah. No, like you look nice. I really like your body structure, but then the outfits is just like not giving. But then the potential.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
So yeah, alas, you can do better.
I'm not gonna do better. That's the thing.
I should have phone again.
Thank you.
Albatlan.
I should do a better.
Mina angidui better. Inkinga yami le.
She can't say three, not three guys. She wants to finish all the guys in the house.
It's fine. It's fine. No.
You know what
Before you say that.
I see? Because me, I deal with relationships a lot, a potential.
But mina angiduiswa better. That's the thing. That's the only thing that.
Don't worry. Once wamshaya, uzomamela.
No, la.
Mamela, mawumshaya uzomamela. Because you can't say no to three guys, my sister. Based on the outfit, uzoyiwasha mus. Can't you wash it and iron it yourself? Now this one I'm trying to fix. You guys can ask me. You guys are the couple of the. Couple of the when I have your fix this keeper, when I fix your mind, fix this keeper. Guys, it's enough. You guys are a couple of the night.
Okay.
Yes, thank you. Since only yes, mbambenge hard.
Okay.
Yabo? This was fixed at the skid.
I speak, sir.
My shirt na netatulo. Mara is fine. You said you are cooking. We'll see what you are cooking.
Yabona ungamukele nginje. Kuze kuphele kwinginje.
Yeah. Make sure you work in bed, eh? The outfit didn't work
But
for him.
Igora.
You know what? Let's continue. Nana.
Hey,
God.
my sister. Make sure you work in if it didn't work. At least work in bed. That's what I'm just saying.
Thanks.
Next couple, better. Next movement. This guy sometimes, like, I don't understand. He's holding the.
Yo, let's pass me on, bro.
Yeah.
These are the.
I'm not saying like that.
Yeah, let's put it here. Yeah.
These are the men that sleep with their penis in their hand.
I'm not saying like that.
Ngizwile or ngizwanga. Shapa kaMaZulu mo. So why ucabanga ukuthi abakuchuzanga?
Mina uthanda ngicabanga ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi it's like alongifanele kodwa ke
Let me tell you guys, the secret is that for me to react on this video today, on Joseph's video today, is because of I saw this clip on TikTok trending on account of Joseph. He posted this video, this part. So so stay tuned so that we can enjoy this part. And please, guys, if you are enjoying my reaction, I'm not perfect, I'm not good, but if so far you are enjoying my reaction, please like, share, and subscribe. Even though you can comment so that I can know if I should do more reactions or what. You know what I'm saying? Please comment there. But first thing first, please subscribe and like. I only need 10 likes for this video. 10 likes. Only 10 people. Just like. Let me not waste time. Let's go.
It looks like love doesn't look good on you.
Yeah. Kodwa ke mina
Maybe when you try gym,
ayi
you can even gym the muscle of the love.
ngeke gym ngeke ngcono umuntu angithandekile into engiyiyona than ukuthi kuze ngi-impress ngishintshe umzimba wami ukuze abantu
Do you
bangithande.
think this is how you are?
Yeah, ngiyakholelwa ukuthi iyona ndlela engiyiyona.
Okay, wena brother, why do you think they didn't choose you?
Othi nje yabona uNkulunkulu uyangithanda. Izinto ezingangifanele uyayisusa eduze kwami.
Yeah.
Yilokho.
Okungiyala kungithula umthwalo. Were left for you in the house or one in the house. Which among these men can be your weapon?
Oh my God. Is this the best you could do though?
Now I have only 2 options left for you guys. And if you don't get a person, hey, that's gonna happen. Can I have the ladies? Can I have the ladies in the house? So when I call the ladies, so they're gonna choose. I'm gonna call the last lady that didn't have a person.
So you know what?
Have chance to be passed off. So one is gonna try to choose from one of the guys. You know what I mean? Yeah. Someone's bag, bro.
Chest bag.
One is cushion. No.
Fanele alazi iqiniso angikhethe ngazi kunokuthi angikhethe into
My brother, but fake it up until you make it.
Yeah.
I put that thing back.
ngikholelwa kwiqiniso mina.
Hayi ke mina ngesami
I'll make a
siyabuya.
bag. Can I have the ladies back? That side. Hey.
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Paul.
Yo, baby. You don't deserve to come here, bro. You look so nice. You look so gorgeous, beautiful. You don't deserve to come here, bro. Nah, bro. Maybe I should pull up on this Joseph Darius session, you know? Maybe I must find one. I don't know.
Yes.
Making faces, I'm just thinking.
You're starting.
I'm just thinking.
You're starting.
Okay, so
You understand how they broke your heart. So now you wanna pick food. So I have only 3 options left in the house. Which among these men can be your weapon?
oh my God. Is this the best you could do though?
Bro, look at this girl. Like she's traumatized. Why? How is why is she so traumatized? Why? Ask yourself that. Imagine a girl or a baby seeing you somewhere. Then when she look at you, she makes faces. Nah, bro.
Is this the best you could do though?
Bro, did you hear that?
If you don't like him, you buzz it. But you speak with him. If you don't like it, you buzz it. You go to the next one. If you don't like it, you buzz it. You go to the third one. If you don't like it, you buzz it. But you can't buzz everyone.
No, but I'm asking, is this the best you could do?
Hey, my dad.
Oh. No. Nah, bro. If I was there, I'm one of these niggas. If I was one of these niggas, I was going to leave. Same time after saying that shit, she just, oh my God. After what she just said right now, I was going to leave that place. Nah. This is the best we could do or we could have. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. I was going to leave same time. I beg. Let's continue. I beg.
What of the men?
Yes. Like this is all that's left for me.
This is the leftovers of the house.
Yeah.
Hey, my dad. Hey, matalelwe code.
No, the ladies left to these guys.
Hi.
Hello njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Igama umponi uba.
Igama Sibonelo.
Usibonelo.
Yes.
So Sibonelo, what brings you here?
Yeah, uthando nje kufuna uthando. Nanokuthi ngiyakholela uthandeni.
Awukwazi ukushela.
Kwesinye isikhathi noma ungashila kangakanani umuntu mengakuthanda akakuthandi. Yabo.
Facts.
Oh, so straight and so hlulekile.
Imadoda.
Yeah. Ngoba uNkulunkulu engilethela uyazi ukuthi why.
Sawubona.
Ngiyaphila Ntokazi kanjani?
Ngiyaphila.
They shied him with the queen. But sorry, next time. All of them are Zulus. Zulu people, ayo, KZN, sorry. You only perform here, but not here.
Ngiyaphila Ntokazi kanjani?
Ngiyaphila igama uPhoni ba.
Hayi ngibonga ngosangakho manje Ntokazi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ma.
I just have one question for you.
Yeah, Ntokazi.
How do you feel about polyandry?
Uyabona ke hayi wesisi ngizoyisho lento ngesizulu yabona. Upublic Andrew bani.
My bad, guys. Yo, guys. I'm thinking of ending this video, guys. Yo, it's so long, ne? Upoli Andrew, man.
Ngiyayibuzela. Hayi kabi mntakwethu, ngifuna ukuthi isihambisane isichothoso. Ngiyayibuzela. Hayi kabi mntakwethu, ngifuna ukuthi isihambisane isichothoso.
Yeah.
Did you go to school?
Yes, me going there. Ngicela
How far did you get?
ngicela ngomoya kaNkulunkulu ngicela kukhulisa.
Unayo matric.
Yebo, amatekletsheni ekhona. Ngaya nasekolleji lapha eMajuba.
Emajuba.
Hey, yo, guys. There's something I just picked right now. Look at the side nigga. The one that wears the t-shirt of Orlando Pirates. Yo, guys. He's laughing. He's laughing. Like, yo, he's laughing. Look at that guy, guys. Let me take you back. Look at that guy. He's so laughing, bro. He's so laughing.
Yeah.
Look at that guy.
Yes.
Emajuba wafundani.
Ngenza electrical engineering Ntokazi.
So are you an electrical engineer?
Amsebenza ngothoni mama.
Ngizobuya kuwena sawubona bhuti njani?
Ngathi ungenile.
Inkinga isingeni sesizoqhatha.
Do you take this seriously?
Sesizoqhatha.
Do you take this seriously? Into esiyenza la uyithatha serious.
Very much.
Manje kutheni uzufaka amanqapsi?
Uthi ngibonise ukuthi ngithanda.
Ouch. Yo, that hurts, guys. Yo, do you take this thing seriously? Why did you wear
Inkinga isingeni
Zulu pushes or what? Yeah, Zulu pushes or something like that. Hey, bro, that's crazy, bro.
Ngibonise ukuthi ngithanda ujima.
Ujima ngamanqapsi. Ujima ngamanqapsi ufaka nekepisi endlini abakufundisanga kini ukuthi awuthwale endlini.
Azawakabani.
Look at that one. They ask him that. So are you wearing a hat or a cap inside the house? Like, oh, my bad. Even me, though. Yo, yeah, they're asking him. So the one that guy wearing the t-shirt, Orlando Pirates t-shirt, he was like, and then they wasn't talking to him. That's crazy.
Ujima ngamanqapsi. Ujima ngamanqapsi ufaka nekepisi endlini abakufundisanga kini ukuthi awuthwale endlini.
Azawakabani. Thanda inkani yakho.
Asibuya kuwena electrical engineer.
Mthatha. Electrical engineer wakho lo. I can't be delayed.
Electrical engineer.
Bengakuthokozela
Electrical engineer.
Angikubongisa mfowethu. Mfowethu angikubongisa.
Awukahle.
Ngikubongisa. Ngikubongisa.
Thanda inkani yakho mama.
Move on the same thing. Excess again. You guys move this side. You're going up. Can we have the girl here? I'm one Mars. I'm sorry. Hey, legends. Think about our leftover being this beautiful from the lady.
What? What? This is the leftover. Out of all these niggas that were here, they didn't choose her. That's crazy, bro. Hey, yo, Joseph, please call me, bro. Hey, yo, Joseph, please call me. Nah, guys. I have to end this video right now and go look for this guy. Before they take her, I must find her first. Nah, that's crazy, bro. She's the leftover. Look at this. Oh, mommy. Oh, baby.
Abamtatanga. Bamali legends. So you take this, right? Whoever you don't feel, you press the bar. Ladies, feel, you press the bar. But you speak with them. Abasalanga labantu bakhona. Here, my sister. Whoever you speak and you feel like you don't feel, you buzz. Hey.
What if we get a passport?
Nyego, you can't buzz. If you buzz them all, it's turbulent. You guys are dating 3 of you guys. Now you are the relationship of the house. 3 of you guys. You have to take one. We enforce love. You gotta go to them. We enforce love to you guys. Yes. It's enforcer. Try speak.
Oh, man,
speak no sponelo. I want.
Oh,
peg again.
It's an sponelo.
Yeah, I can sponelo cause
Iskomo. Uphuma phi?
Ngokuphuma ngenza le Eastern Cape yakhona lekhaya.
Okay.
Yeah.
Igama?
Ami Nkateko.
Bani?
Nkateko.
Nkateko.
Yeah. From Pretoria.
Yo, guys, I just knew it. I just peeped it long time from there. From the start, I just knew it. This guy is from Pretoria. He's like, damn, bro. I just knew it. Yo, Pretoria Jen. Look at what he's doing. He's not representing you, bro. But I bet.
At least, bravo. At least. Orlando Barrett, at last it won. Okay.
But
hard for the first time and then, yeah, Prague. Tall doesn't help, yeah?
Sharp, ne? Yeah.
You have almost.
Yo, guys, I won't lie, right? Look at this mommy. Look at this mommy. Yo, I won't lie. Yo. Actually, this one deserves me. I'm the one for her. So, yeah. So, but I will find her one day. Well, I'll catch you, son. Hey, yo, guys. So I'm thinking of ending this video. I beg, guys. So I'm thinking of ending this video. I don't know how I reacted, but please, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that so that you can be notified next time I post. So my bad. So there will be more things like the next episode. You get this one. I don't know if we run this to react on this episode. Comment down below that how you made it this far. Like, share,